Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Why do you need to be buying XRP? We've seen a decent move on the back of that interlocutory appeal that was denied by Judge Annalisa Torres, but there is more to come. We are about to see some pretty extensive price movement for XRP. Why, you may ask? Well, I'm going to tell you all in this video, so make sure you subscribe for more XRP content. Drop a like if you are excited about the outcome coming for the SEC versus XRP. With that being said, let's take a look at exactly what's going on. Currently, Bitcoin having a little bit of a rally, 27,800, 1.3% up on the day. You might notice that a lot of the rest of the cryptocurrencies are in red. Expect that to move while people take profits out of Bitcoin and then head into other altcoins, in particular, things like XRP, Casper, Shiba Inu. We're definitely going to start to see some moves. But why? Well, historical data does tell us that the December and November tend to be exceptionally good months for XRP and cryptocurrency overall. But what's going on with XRP? Well, the most profitable quarter for XRP price is about to come. So looking through the price performance of XRP over the years, Bitcoiners has been able to come up with the most profitable quarter for the digital asset. This also tells us the best time to invest in a token, as XRP price has usually performed very well in this time. You can see there, Q4 is the moment in time where we see a great rally in the cryptocurrency space, in particular XRP. Now, just on the back of that interlocutory appeal announcement we got yesterday, $1.9 billion of volume. That's nearly $1 billion up just on the back of that. So imagine when we get further into this announcement, and equally when we start to get really deep diving into XRP. What we can say though, on the average monthly returns, again, December tends to be a fantastic month for XRP. So as the year progresses towards the climax, the XRP price starts to pick up, with November being a top 6 contender in terms of monthly returns, and then bunch on December, which historically has blown all the other months out of the park based upon historical data. October tends to be the most bearish month when we get into cryptocurrency. Even September tends to be slightly better. So everything is pointing to a potential upside move coming towards the end of December. I think that's fantastic news. Returns for December are also shown to be at least 2x higher than the second best month. So again, this is why right now XRP would be a great buy. Remember, if you look at it in terms of price, 53 cents. Looking currently on this downward trend, we might see a little bit of downward movement here once again, depending on what happens with this Bitcoin price. We'll keep an eye on what goes on with there. What we could also see though is this point here where we see a potential break on the downward trend and then start to move up. A couple of key points here will be around this kind of 537 range. And then if we come out and zoom out a little bit further, we can start to see where we get potential movement up around this 5.5 range, as well as a bit further. So look, certainly when you look at RSI and money flow, it looks pretty good for XRP, but December is the month to keep an eye on. But that doesn't stop there. Why? Because when we get into the outcome that came from Judge Annalisa Torres, and what's really interesting when we talk about this is we got the announcement, XRP did 7% pretty much straight off the bat, and then the SEC go and sue Coinbase, and FTX gets dragged through the court. But what's important though is this article from Ashley Prosper. It says Judge Torres shreds the SEC agreement, the SEC argument that there is substantial grounds for a difference of opinion. No, it's not like the Terraform case, and no, it's not like the LBRY case. The Ripple case and XRP are legally unique, and this is a pretty big deal because it means it stands alone. We know the LBRY case, they did lose to the SEC, and also the Terraform case looks like that's probably going to go ahead and lose as well. This is where the XRP case is very, very different. Now, whether you like Judge Annalisa Torres or not, we've been talking about this for quite some while, but it says here the SEC filed charges against Terraform and the CEOs offering and selling unregistered securities transactions. However, Judge Torres previously ruled that the programmatic sale of XRP wasn't a violation of securities laws. Very important that that statement is there. In the SEC's appeal to the judge ruling, they cited the decision in the SEC versus Terraform case, in which the judge replied, there is substantial grounds for difference of opinion on whether issuers offer and sales over crypto asset trading platforms can give rise to an investment contract under Howey. And that's a big statement. The fact that it's all been brought back to the Howey test. And we also know that that was the critical point when it came into the decision making around SEC and XRP. So again, Judge Annalisa Torres bringing it back to what is important and fundamentally what sits at the heart of this case. So we do know that this will go to court, potentially trial with a jury, April 24th. April 16th, though, is when the first initial hearing will be called into that 15D courtroom in New York. Will it get there? I don't think so. I think the SEC walk away from this. I think they see what happens with the Coinbase case, and then I think they walk away from XRP, which will be huge for cryptocurrency. But keep an eye out. December could be a big month for XRP. Given all the positivity, all the sentiment we've got, I'd expect some pretty explosive price movement as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market. My prediction, 40k for a Bitcoin. Let me know what yours is in the comments down below. And if you enjoy this sort of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on right now in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.